Hey guys, do you want to learn how to build muscular arms in less than 25 minutes? Stick around, I'm about to show you how. What's up guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. I'm about to take you through an awesome arm workout that you can do at home using nothing but dumbbells, all right? Cool day, man. Arms are a great muscle group, great body part. You can see them no matter what you're wearing. Beach, dress clothes, they always stand out. So as a man, it's amazing to have muscular arms. That being said, I'm gonna show you a quick workout that you can do. Knock it out quick. Like I said, it's gonna take less than 25 minutes. It's gonna help your biceps and triceps grow rapidly. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing we are going to do is a pyramid set using dumbbells, all right? Basically a pyramid set. We're gonna use a lighter weight to start. You're gonna do 10 reps, drop the weight, go immediately into a heavier weight for 5 reps, drop that and go back to your lighter weight with another 10 reps. So 25 reps total, okay? Here's the deal, I'm gonna take you through one exercise, one set of each of these exercises, and then what you're gonna wanna do is 2 sets of each. So you're gonna be doing 6 sets for your biceps. Once your biceps are done, you're gonna go into your triceps and do 6 sets for your triceps, all right? So let's get started with the dumbbell pyramid curls. Again, lighter weight, what I like to do, bring your shoulders back, make sure your shoulders aren't forward. Take your shoulders completely out of the movement. Really focus on your mind-muscle connection when you're doing these. Contract the biceps as hard as you can at the top with every rep you do. Again, you're shooting for 10. Slow and controlled movements. Really focus, again, on those biceps and taking the shoulders out. All right, 10. Now we're gonna get into your heavier weight. Same movement. You're just gonna go 5 reps. 4, one more, 5, good hard contractions. Now back to your lighter weight where you're gonna do your last 10. You'll really feel these burning on these sets here. And 10. All right, so 25 total reps. Again, what you would do now is rest 60 seconds and then do your second set of these, okay? All right, once you've done this pyramid set, next thing we're gonna get into are concentration curls. Concentration curls, one of my favorite bicep exercises. It really focuses on the long head, the outside of the bicep. You're gonna wanna do 8 to 10 reps here with these. What I like to do is pin your elbow into your quad and make sure your arm isn't too far forward. Get a nice stretch. Shoulder, wrist should be in direct line of one another. Again, 8 to 10 here. Really focus on this contraction at the top. Make sure you're really getting a huge supinated grip, rotating this wrist outward. That will just create a bigger contraction. All right, now you're gonna alternate sides. Same thing, elbow against your quad. Really focus again on rotating that wrist to get a really hard contraction at the top. Two more. 10. Okay. Again, you would rest 60 seconds and then do your second set. Once you're done there, we're going to get into an incline dumbbell curl. If you've seen enough of my videos, you'll know this is one of my favorite exercises. The key here is we're going to do alternating curls with the alternating isometric hold. So basically, I'll start with this one so you can see it. You're gonna bring the weight up, leave it there while you're bringing the other weight up. Then leave that one. So that's the isometric hold. And we're gonna alternate just like that. Key point when you're doing these, make sure you're keeping your elbows back, because if you bring your elbows too far forward, then you're just resting the weight here. It's not really contracting, it's resting. As you bring those elbows back, you'll notice gravity's already pulling down on the weight. So you're gonna get a much better contraction, and you're gonna keep a lot of tension on that bicep throughout the whole exercise. You're gonna shoot for 8 to 10 here. Same with the other two. You will rest 60 seconds and then do your second set, all right? One more, let's go ahead and go one more. Good contraction, good stretch, good contraction. All right. Okay, after you've done your second set here, you will be done with your biceps. Now we're gonna do your triceps, okay? The thing we're gonna do different with the triceps is we're turning this into a tri-set. You're gonna pick 3 exercises and go back to back to back. So let me get this set up. And we will be starting with dumbbell skull crushers. So basically, what I want you to focus on here, you're gonna start with the weight. Your shoulders and wrists are in line with one another. I actually want you to bring the dumbbells back behind your head. That's already creating tension in your triceps, all right? Nice stretch, nice contraction. You're shooting for 10 to 12 here. 4, make sure good stretch, good contraction. Again, don't keep them over here because you're losing tension. So keep that stretch while you're doing these. Three more. One more. All right, you can immediately go from here to a dumbbell overhead extension. Same thing, 10 to 12. Get the dumbbell up, bring your elbows in nice and tight. Good stretch at the bottom, good contraction at the top. 7, we'll go 12. 10, 2 more. And 12. Okay, you're gonna go immediately from here to close grip dumbbell push-ups. Really love close grip stuff. Helps put that mass on the triceps. Bring your elbows in nice and tight. Keep them tight, good stretch, good contraction. 6, we're gonna go 6 more. 2 more. 6, all right. What you will do next, rest 60 to 90 seconds, okay? Just make sure you're recovered with your breathing, then get into your second set. So another second set of the tricep, okay? But again, quick workout, this can take less than 25 minutes. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions about any of these exercises. Also, if you haven't already checked out my anabolic arms program, man, go check that out. There's a link in the description box. Click it. Tremendous program, ton of exercises like this. You're gonna be working bis, tris, forearms, grip. We put it all in there. It's an all-inclusive program, very comprehensive, tons of amazing exercises. You can tell I'm already out of breath, so this is what you have to look forward to, man. Just working arms. If you do it right, you're gonna get tremendous benefits, tremendous results. Also, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. That's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.